To create the most captivating and alluring photos for online sharing, focus on dynamic posing and utilizing your environment. Effective techniques include strategically engaging with your surroundings, such as leaning against a wall or sitting by a naturally lit window, and using angles that highlight your figure, like arching your back when kneeling or lying on your belly to accentuate your curves. Experiment with playful facial expressions, a subtle head tilt, a quick tongue out, a flirty wink, or nibbling on a drink straw to add personality. Additionally, leveraging wardrobe features like an unzipped top or a loose bra strap, and using creative staging like a back-to-mirror squat or a shadow silhouette are excellent ways to maximize the visual impact and confidently showcase your best features.